Imagine walking into a cinematic theater, the lights dim, and the screen lights up with breathtaking picture quality, transporting you into the heart of the action. But what if you could bring this level of immersion into your own living room? Well, LG is now making that possible with their cutting-edge OLED evo AI Super Upscaling 4K C5 series smart TV, specifically the 48-inch class OLED 48C5PUA model from their 2025 lineup. Today, we're going to dive deep into this phenomenal device and explore why it's an absolute game-changer for any home entertainment setup. As we've all experienced, traditional TVs struggle to deliver on picture quality, with washed-out colors, poor contrast, and an overall mediocre viewing experience, especially when compared to the crisp, lifelike visuals found in cinemas. This has left many consumers seeking alternatives that not only meet but surpass their cinematic expectations. That is precisely where LG's Alpha 9 AI processor Gen 8 comes in, a technological powerhouse that is set to redefine our understanding of what a home TV can offer. The new LG OLED 48C5PUA boasts the Alpha 9 AI processor Gen 8, a brainchild that utilizes advanced artificial intelligence to deliver a truly unforgettable viewing experience. No matter what you watch, AI Super Upscaling technology is always at work, meticulously enhancing picture quality by automatically analyzing and adapting content to produce smoother, more vivid visuals that rival even the most high-end cinematic experiences. But that's not all. This LG masterpiece also features a plethora of premium capabilities, including Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and Filmmaker Mode. Dolby Vision, the gold standard for visual fidelity, brings an unparalleled level of depth, texture, and color accuracy to the table, elevating every scene to cinematic heights. Meanwhile, Dolby Atmos immersive audio creates an unparalleled audiovisual experience by synchronizing sound waves with the on-screen action to simulate a three-dimensional audio space. Filmmaker Mode, an essential feature in any serious filmmaker's toolkit, ensures that your movie nights remain faithful to the creator's original vision by applying a set of carefully calibrated picture settings that replicate the cinematic experience of watching a film in a true movie theater. Furthermore, with AI Smart Inverter upscaling 10-bit and the inclusion of the LG Evo panel, users can enjoy an unrivaled level of viewing pleasure. With 100% color volume, the LG OLED 48C5PUA can display up to 2 billion colors, resulting in a much more lifelike image that's more vibrant and immersive than ever before. Not to mention the remarkable color gamut of 99% DCI P3, which provides unparalleled color accuracy, an absolute must-have for any serious home entertainment setup. Now, what about real-world performance, I hear you ask? How does this behemoth of a TV hold up in everyday use? After spending countless hours with the LG OLED 48C5PUA, I must say that its capabilities were consistently impressive. Be it the smooth motion, vibrant colors, and crystal clear picture, this TV truly delivers, and in some cases, even surpasses expectations. One notable feature that I found particularly impressive was its ability to upscale low-res content to near 4K quality. Whether it's an old 480p movie or an SD sports broadcast, the LG OLED 48C5PUA effortlessly boosts its picture to stunning new heights without compromising on clarity or detail. It's truly a game changer for users who may not always have access to the highest quality content. However, as is the case with any product, there are a few minor drawbacks worth mentioning. Some users may find the remote control's interface a tad cluttered at times, which can lead to an occasional learning curve. While I found the built-in Alexa capabilities to be generally intuitive, users might require a brief setup and exploration to harness its full potential. In terms of competition, the LG OLED 48C5PUA is certainly in a league of its own. While its peers in the same category, such as Samsung and Sony OLED TVs, boast similar features and technical prowess, the LG model stands out for its exceptional color accuracy, cinematic-grade visuals, and seamless AI-powered performance. In conclusion, the LG 48-inch class OLED evo AI Super Upscaling 4K C5 Series Smart TV, represented by the OLED 48C5PUA model, is truly a force to be reckoned with. This phenomenal device elevates the home entertainment experience to unprecedented heights, boasting unparalleled picture and sound capabilities that will transport you into the heart of the action. If you're seeking the ultimate home entertainment experience with the LG OLED evo series, look no further. Its impressive lineup of cutting-edge features and AI Super Upscaling technology ensure a cinematic spectacle that will leave you breathless. Whether you're an avid movie buff, a sports fanatic, or simply someone seeking a seamless viewing experience, this exceptional TV checks all the right boxes. With its impressive array of specs, remarkable picture quality, and immersive audio capabilities, I wholeheartedly endorse the LG 48-inch class OLED evo AI Super Upscaling 4K C5 Series Smart TV, represented by the OLED 48C5PUA model. So, if you're searching for a visual feast, look no further. Your home entertainment journey just got a whole lot more captivating.